Hello everyone. If your USPS tracking shows inbound out of customs, this video is going to explain exactly what it means and what happens next. So inbound out of customs means that your package has successfully cleared the customs and is now back with USPS for delivery. In simple terms, your package has entered the country, passed the inspection, and is now moving towards your address. So once your package is out of custom, it is handed over to USPS. It moves to the sorting facility, then it's sent to your local post office. So after this, you will usually see updates like in transit or out for delivery. Now, in most of the cases, delivery happens within 1 to 3 business days. However, delays can also still happens due to high shipment volume or local sorting delays or distance from the entry point. So in this particular situation, you don't need to do anything since the package has already cleared customs. There is nothing that you need to do. Just keep tracking your package for the next updates. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.